Hey, good morning and good afternoon to all of you wherever you're watching from all over the world. I welcome all of you once again in my YouTube channel, and we hope that you all are doing and having best of the best of your lives. So as you guys know that our channel it brings video on topics related to your social media lives and your digital life as well. We are just focusing on to improve them, and when it comes to personal life we are also working on it. And to like literally being more innovative, we just try to learn some more languages. And when it comes to English, everyone just try to learn the English, because English is something like, if you talk in English, it is an international language and it allows you a lot of gates open, a door opens for a new jobs opportunities as well. And these days people are like craving for Korean also, because the Korean industry, like the film industry, not the film industry but the drama industry of Korea, they are just providing us a very new glimpse of their language, and we are just somehow we are liking their language as well. And when it comes to learning a new language, everyone we try to find out an app or an platform, or a platform where we can practice it or where we can learn it. And for that reason we are again here in front of you with another app that is called basically Cake. It is actually like, with everyday situation you can learn the English, and you can, if you want, then you can also learn the Korean language also. And it is like a great, it has great star rating. It is like 4.8 rating, and reviews you can also like check the reviews for that. Like the features, they actually contain like a lot of features, so I just wanted to share it with you like directly from the Play Store. So here we are with the first feature. Like let's suppose, like they allow us to like how native speaks from your favorite videos. Okay, so in your videos, like in people's videos, they are like using their native languages, and they will allow us to understand the kind of like accent of them and fluency of them, and short and fun lessons. So it means that with the like the short will contain like five phrasal verb or five idioms or five like something else. So you can learn in like short videos. They are just like for 15 seconds or 30 seconds, but they will allow to understand a lot. Then when it comes to like expressions used in daily life, like whether the expression we do in Urdu or we do in Hindi or we do in English is somehow different to the expression we give into the language of like Korea. So expressions change whenever we talk about something. So they will also tell us about the expressions game, because expressions, if you are talking about something and you are don't giving any of like the expressions, then it will not like be understandable for the other person who is going to understand your thing. Like when it comes to like listening and speaking, and so they have like speaking and listening purposes. Like they have a practices of them. Like you can talk to people, like you can talk to random people from conversation practices. And you can also like have a practices of them, like the written practices, and you can learn the things that how you can talk to people whenever you are having a conversation in a particular language. And when it comes to like step by step lessons on Cake class, they are allowing you the Cake classes also. And like you will like where they are saying that after completed this course you will be able to express eight different basic emotions. Okay, so it is working on emotions. Like this is about emotions. And when it comes to like boost your learning with quizzes allow you a lot of varieties of understanding different new things. So when it comes to like expressions and revise anytime, because when we don't revise any of particular topic, we just forget about it, because we are having a very hectic routine in daily life. And we are doing again and again a different task of our personal lives as well. So when it comes to learning, it is must that we have to revise the things again and again, or every other day or every other week. So this was the features of this app. I like them the most. Now I'm just going to dig it into in the app. Like this is Cake One. And this will allow you like this is somehow kind of like TikTok. Like TikTok is basically depends on like short videos, and it is also like based on short videos. And when it comes to short videos, we are just having like a very innovative way to learn new things. So it will just take a moment, because we haven't I haven't opened it earlier, so it will take a moment because I am going to for the first time. Okay, so start now and just see that you just have to check select the language you want to learn. So I'm just not going into the Korean, but Korean. But if you want, then you can choose the Korean one. And I'm just going with English and learn English and just like this day of one making English a habit, and that's it. You okay? So yeah, they are just like supposing the 33 30 and 26-minute shorts is like a is like allowing us to learn new things. So I'm just going to cross it because for further features we will look at it. And here you can see that we are having a lot of things like our stop saying I don't understand. You can change the very like you can play all those videos, all those things. They have a lot of courses. When it comes to classes, they also have them. You can also speak it, you can also review it, you can check your profile also. And you can check all of them if you are if you are thinking about to learn a language particularly, so you can check all of them. So I think this app will go help you a lot when it comes to English learning or any other particular language learning. So if you like this video, give a huge thumbs up. If you like this app, then please download it from Google Play Store. And till the next video uploaded, stay connected, stay together. Thank you so much for watching this video.